Hi, in this video we will discuss different type of editing modes. Okay, so firstly we need to open a new project, and for it you need to press Ctrl X, or you can go to this file and press new and then press general. Okay, and select here don't save for the very first time. Now a new project is now opened. So here we will discuss some editing modes. For it, select this cube first, and for selection you can see the cube is now selected, and for it the left side is showing object mode. Whenever you click this one, and it is now showing different type of modes. Okay, what is this? The first one is object mode, edit, sculpt mode, vertex mode, weight paint, and the last one is texture paint. Okay, most of the time we will use this two mode. Okay, object mode and edit mode, because for CGI work this is the enough. Okay, so click this cube, go to this object mode and select here edit mode, because we have discussed this object mode, how to move, rotate and scale. So I'm going to press this edit mode, and you can see lots of option is now visible and unlocked. You can drag it here to see the name of it, and in the object mode you can see there are few options, and in the edit mode there is lots of options, and move, rotate, scale, transform, and here extrude, insert, bevel, and so many things. And I know this is used to for modeling purpose, and we will not use this all the tools. Most of the time we will use extrude tool, insert tool, and that's it, I think. And as you know, move, rotate and scale, but the main important function of this edit is to, let me clear here, this is vertex mode, this is edge selection mode, and this is face selection mode, and currently now it is activated in the vertex mode. Okay, so for it, as we know, there are 12 vertices in the cube. Okay, and let me clear one thing. So I'm enabling my statics. Now you can see 448, sorry, there is only 8 vertices in the cube. Here you can see here is 8 vertices, edge is 12, and the faces is 6. Okay, and here now I wanna select one vertex, so simply select this vertex selection mode, and now you can select any one of these vertices. Okay, now you can rotate this by pressing Alt button, then that's it. You can select any one of these vertices. Okay, and if you want to select more than one vertex, then you need to press shift. Okay, first select one, then press shift button, and you can select multiple vertices at a time. Okay, so I'm pressing this shift button. Okay, now I'm going to explore this edge selection mode, so select this. Now you are now able to select this edge as well. Okay, and if you want to select more than one edge, then press shift, and you can now select more than one edge at a time. Okay, now go to this face selection mode. Now I'm able to select these faces as well. Okay, if you want to select more than one face, then what we need to do, press shift. Okay, that's it, this is clear. Now press A to select all. This is the universal shortcut. A means select all, so I'm going to press A. Now all the faces, vertices and edges are now selected. Here you can see edge vertices now selected, edges 12 selected, and faces 6 selected. If I select one, then you can see one face is now selected. There is 4 edges and 4 vertices in this face. Okay, that's it. Now one more thing I need to clear. If I select this face, okay, from this face selection mode, now there is a option in the edit mode that is called extrude region. Firstly click this. Now this is showing plus sign, and if I click this plus sign and drag it in the Z axis, now our cube is now extruding in the Z axis. And if you want to extrude it in the X axis, so select any one face, and now you are now not able you are now able to extrude it in the X axis as well. And if you want to extrude this face in the Z axis, so select this and press Z axis. You can perform this action in the vertex mode as or as selection mode as well. So I'm going to select this one edge and I need to navigate it. So press Alt and to rotation, and now I'm only able to extrude this one vertex. You can see only one vertex is now extruding. Okay, so this tool is for extrusion. Extrude. Okay, now the another tool is insert faces. So I'm going to select this and go to this face selection mode and select this face. Okay, now we can insert this face. Okay, simply you need to drag your left button. Firstly click any face, then drag it. Now we can simply insert this. Okay, and then after go to this extrude region and we can extrude this inserted face. Okay, and this is bevel. Beveling means it is the process to smoothen the corner. Okay, so if you wanna smoothen this corner, simply select this bevel tool and drag it inward or forward. Okay, and you can control its corners from your scroll wheel. Okay, simply scroll your middle button of your mouse and you can increase or decrease its roundness. That's it, and nothing, uh, no any tools are left. Okay, this is enough for this class. And go to, and you can navigate this edit mode and object mode by pressing tab button. Okay, so I'm going to press tab button to change my mode, object mode and edit mode. Okay, now I have discussed all the things, so I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.